Hey guys, welcome to Invest After Work. In today's episode, we're going to explore 5 smart investment strategies that are perfect for those of us looking to grow our wealth after we clock out. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of after-hours investors. Strategy number 1 is all about diving into dividend stocks. Your own mini portfolio of profit-sharing companies. Thanks to modern investment apps, getting started is as simple as selecting your favorite company and purchasing a share. Remember to look for those with a consistent dividend history. Strategy number 2 is for those who want a stake in the real estate market without actually buying property. I'm talking about real estate crowdfunding. It's like joining an exclusive club where everyone pools their money to invest in property. With platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul, you can invest in high-value real estate and potentially earn returns through rental income and property appreciation. Moving on to strategy number 3, it's all about peer-to-peer lending. This is where you can directly lend your money to others and earn interest on the repayments. It's quite empowering. Actually, you get to help others while your investment grows. Just be sure to diversify to minimize risk. Strategy 4 is close to my heart. Start a side hustle. Whether it's launching an online store, creating a blog, or providing a service, this is your chance to turn passion into profit. Your after-work hours can be filled with productivity and potential earnings, and in today's digital age, the sky's the limit. And strategy number 5, invest in your most important asset, yourself. Online courses and certifications can be a game changer. Platforms like Coursera or Udemy offer opportunities to learn new skills that could increase your earning power or even pivot your career path. Alright, fellow investors, we've covered a lot today. Whether you're into stocks, real estate, helping others through lending, building a side hustle, or upgrading your skills, there's a wealth of options waiting for you after your 9 to 5. Which strategy sparked your interest? Drop a comment below. I'd love to start a conversation and share insights. And if you've got another strategy up your sleeve, let's hear it. Remember, all investments carry risk, and it's important to do your research and consult with a financial advisor if you need tailored advice. Thanks for watching Invest After Work. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more content on making the most of your money and time after work.